Hello YouTube. Okay, so a friend of mine asked me. He actually challenged me to. He wanted to show profile slope as an alignment label. Okay, and without using LISP. Okay, without using Dynamo, without plugins. Okay, uh, just label alignment label. Okay, so let's see how I did it. Okay, so this is the label, and we have a drawing here, and we have one alignment, and we have one profile. Okay, so so see, you can see the arrows here. Okay, it shows the direction of the slope of a profile, and it is the label. Okay, this is a profile, and it is label. Okay, and if we let's change the profile. See, it changed dynamically. Okay. Okay. So how? Okay. We will go step by step how I did it. Okay. So basically, I used label composer with expressions. Okay. So let's see the main concept behind it. Okay. So if we zoom in, so this line actually is the text. Okay, text with a border. Okay, text, see if you zoom in, it's text in black. It's just a bunch of zeros, big number. Okay, with a border. Okay, we use the border as a line. So okay, so let's create it from scratch, step by step. Okay, but this is the main idea. Just text with border. Okay, we have empty file here. We need to create it from scratch, but we need to see. Let's see the concept. Okay, let's see, we have an alignment here, and we're going to use simple arrow, just two lines, right? So this means this arrow shows slope downgrade. Okay, negative grade, and these two lines shows the upgrade. Okay, so basically everyone will be a text, right? We need to draw these four lines. Okay, this for upgrade and this target. It's assuming the direction of this alignment from left to right. Okay, so yeah, we need four text. We call it negative right, negative left, and positive right, positive, and this is the text rotation. Okay, so this negative, okay, negative right to just 45 degree, and this negative 45, right? And this is 45 plus 90, and this is a negative. Okay. Okay. So yeah, basically we create four text, and we create two expressions. Okay. And let's first create the text. Okay. Go to alignment. We create label. So alignment, label styles, station, measure station. Okay, let's create new one. We'll call it arrow. File slope arrow. Okay, and we going to use, let's delete this component. We're going to use profile. Okay, reference text, and we're going to use profile. Okay, so this is the first text, negative right. Okay, okay, and let's put default value, just random value for now, big number. Okay, just okay, very big number to give us text. And that's the one. We set this to attachment to middle left. Okay. Rotation. 45. Let's add border. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so let's see. Let's add it to this alignment. Okay. Yeah. See. So we managed to draw first line. Okay. But okay. So let's draw the the rest. Okay. Let's copy this. Let's copy. We need more 3, right? Okay. Negative right. Negative for you know, downward. Negative grade. Negative left. Okay. Negative left will take minus 45. Okay. So we get the first arrow, right? Okay. So this we'll call it positive, right? And we'll have 135 degree. Okay. And positive left. It will be minus 135. Okay. So let's allow. Okay, so now we have the 2 arrows, right? We managed to draw these 4 lines. So we're going to use expression in order to control the length of the line. Okay, so big line is just a big number, right? With expression, if it is positive, we return big number. If it is not, we return small number, right? Like this. See? And if it is negative slope, we will, or positive, we do the opposite. Okay, we do this. It still exists, but with minimum value. Okay. So let's see. We're going to create 2 expression. How we create expression? Expression in Civil3d is like Excel. Okay. If condition, comma, true value, false value. Okay, exactly like Excel. So it will be the negative one will be like this. Okay, if it's negative, if the grade less than 0, we'll return big number. Okay, and if it is not, we'll return 1. Okay, so this is the first one. Let's create it. We create it in profile, right? Profile because we're using profile component. So let's go to profile, label style, station, measure station. Okay. Let's create fair expression. Okay. Okay, but we need to replace this grid with gray component from here, fire grid. Okay, let's copy this and we create another one. Okay, it is the same, but it is just change instead of less than, greater than. Okay. Okay, so let's apply these expressions. Go back to the style. Okay, so we have this right, negative right. So we will have, instead of this random bar, we will use negative is the expression. Okay, no fraction. And okay, we'll use it for negative left. Okay. And do the same for the right. Okay. Positive. Positive left. Okay, so what exactly what we did is we have 4 components, right? Negative and positive. For the 2 positive, we assign the positive expression, and for the 2 negative, we assign the negative expression. Okay, let's press OK, and we need to assign subwoofer, right? See, it works now, but the height is very big of the text. Let's change the height to 0.1. Okay. Okay, so the height controls the length of the arrow. Okay, and if we want to increase the width, we will increase this value, the gap of the border. Okay, see, yeah, but it is a bit small. Yeah, so yeah, it works. Okay, yeah, okay, that's it. Thank you.